OneUI 8 Beta 5 is now here on Galaxy S25. The update is around 1.7 gigabytes in size for Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it finally has that long-awaited adaptive lock screen clock. There are some other features too, so let's see them one by one. First, we are getting that suggested wallpapers option. For some reason, if I tap on my home screen, now on wallpapers, I'm not seeing that option right here in my wallpapers section. Next up, we have that adaptive lock screen clock. For this, make sure first you choose the right font, because this adaptive clock is not going to work with this font style. So I'm going to long press on my lock screen, tapping on clock. So this second font that you are seeing right now is the one that enabled adaptive lock screen clock. If this option is grayed out for you, then make sure to go in styles and then choose style 1 or style 2. First two are working fine with adaptive clock. After that, you can change the size and color. The clock changes its shape according to the subject. Now I'll try a different wallpaper. Let's try this one. And there you go. This adaptive clock will work with portraits. OneUI 8 for Galaxy S24 is also going to get this feature, so stay tuned for that. Next, according to the changelog, we are getting August security patch. So I'll go to my settings, then about phone, software information, and here we have the August security patch right there. We have a lot of bug fixes. The hotspot connection issue has been also fixed. I'm adding the changelog here. You can pause the video and check out all the bug fixes with this beta 5 update. We are still missing out on brief notifications and call captions. I hope they will be added later on in the next beta update. So that was all about the OneUI 8 beta 5. Let me know in the comments if you are going to use this adaptive clock option or not. And with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.